Hi guys, Ameya here and welcome to Want to Learn Programming. This is the 23rd video in the series Basics of C Programming. In this video, we will look at what are strings. Strings are one-dimensional character arrays. These strings are terminated by a null character called as \0. By terminated, I mean that the one-dimensional character array always ends with \0 as the last character. Assuming that the string consists of the word strings, we will look at how this strings word will be in the form of a one-dimensional character array. So these, assuming that this block is a variable in the character array, then strings will be stored as in this format. And as mentioned earlier, it will be terminated with the \0 character. Last time we had once said that %s is the format specifier for accessing string array. So here in this session, we will be using this format specifier for accessing the string array. Also, the size of the declared string must be 1 greater than the actual size of the string to be stored. So, the size of the string is 1 greater, that is, string's word has 7 characters. So, this \0 will be an additional character added to the character array. So when declaring, the size of the string must be 8 for storing the characters strings and \0. Let's look at how to declare and initialize arrays. By arrays here I mean the character arrays. The declaration and initialization can be done in two ways. Character-wise initializing. In character-wise initializing, we use each character is declared initialized separately. That is char new of 8 equal to strings and \0. So this is the way of character-wise initializing. Also, a complete array-wise initializing can also be done. Here we can just say character new without specifying the number of the size of the string is equal to strings and semicolon. In this, we need not mention the \0 character because the compiler automatically places the \0 at the end of the string. Also, we need to make sure that there is no number put inside the square brackets. That is, the compiler is freely given the opportunity to assume the numbers according to the initialization that we have done. Let's look at string manipulation functions. String manipulation functions are functions which are inbuilt present to manipulate the strings. The header file string.h must be included in the header section while using these functions. Let's look at four string manipulation functions that we commonly use in our C programs. First, given the length of it, strlen and in the bracket the string s gives the length of the string s. For example, length equal to strlen and s1, where s1 is the variable name, that is the character array name. Next, let's look at strcpy. strcpy s1, s2. What this does is it copies the content of string s2 to string s1. The syntax or the example for this is strcpy s1, s2. So if we use this function, what the content of s2 will be copied to the variable s1. Next, let's look at concatenation. strcat s1, s2. What this does is it concatenates the string s2 to the end of string s1. So strcat s1, s2. What this does is the value of s1 it's like saying S1 is equal to S1 plus X2 in terms of appending the characters. The content of S1 will be S1 and followed by the content of S2. Next, we have the strcmp function, which compares the two strings. It gives 0 if S1 and S2 are same. It gives a negative value if S1 is smaller than S2, and it gives a positive value if S1 is greater than S2. So the example for this is flag is equal to strcmp s1 comma s2. Remember that the length variable and the flag variable are both integer variables, because it in length it stores the length of the string, and in flag it stores a negative or a positive or zero when strcmp is used. So now what I would like you to do is try these practice questions by using these str string manipulation functions. I'm not showing a sample program here is because I want you to try these practice questions out and then compare your answers with the answers in the link given in the description below, which will be updated in some time after this. Remember to use the percentage %s as the format specifier, and also take care of the loops that you are going to use. So if you like this video, click on like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. In the next video, we will look at what are functions. Thank you.